So today I'm making steamed hilsha, and here I have taken three pieces of hilsha, and you can see the eggs here. So it's gonna be very tasty. And I've already washed it with normal water, and I'll marinate this with some haldi, turmeric, and a little bit of salt. If you want, you can keep for 2 minutes or so, or you just directly add marinate and start cooking. Not a problem, because hilsa is anyway it's a very soft fish, so it doesn't take much time for marination. And you need to always handle with care, because as it is very soft, it tends to break, so we need to handle carefully. So here I have taken one big green chili and a few mustard seeds, almost 2 tablespoons. So I will grind it in a smooth paste. Okay, so now I have marinated the fish, and now I will make the paste, and I will mix everything in this one tiffin box, and I'll just close it with all masala and fish, and then I will steam it. Okay, so here I'll be adding a bit of salt, very little, and little bit of haldi, and now I'll be adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Make sure you are adding mustard oil, not refined oil, because this is the taste maker in this recipe. And I'm adding 2 green chilies, and just mix well. So now I've added half cup of water in this mixer jar, and just adding the water with all the masala. Not much, only half a cup, and I will mix it well. That's all, nothing else to be done. And now I'll place the fish very carefully. Okay. Make sure that eggs are inside. Okay, so that's all. I'm gonna cover this with this lid. Okay, so I'm steaming water here. I have taken 2 cups of water in rice cooker actually, so I'm gonna use this as a steamer. So once the water is properly hot, I will place that the tiffin box inside this and just steam it for 15 minutes. Okay, so it started boiling now. I'll be placing the box inside this, and you need to be very careful. Mission successful. I placed it. Okay, now I'm gonna cover this again, and you need to make sure that the layer of water is not the cover of this box, because the water should not go inside of this box. Okay, so I'm just covering it, and like that I'm gonna steam this for 15 minutes. See, it's boiling. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes now. I'm gonna switch off this. One, two, three, and start. Let's open it. Yo.